Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix error Windows system assessment tool has stopped working on Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. We are using in some tricks and some method in this video. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is click here start button, and after that click here and under search box and type here run, run, and you can see here run option is displayed here. Click on it and type here under this text box regedit, okay, and after that click here ok button. After that click here this key class root, expand it this key and click here this star button, okay, and expand this key, and after that click here cell X key and expand it, and after that click here this option and expand this option, and after that guys click here this WinRAR 32 and WinRAR, right click on it and click here delete. After that click here delete, and after that click here this key also, okay. This is the first method and close this window. Second method is click here start button. After that type here under search box run and click here run option. After that guys type here under search box control, okay, and click here ok button. After that guys select here large icon under view by and find here internet option, click here. After that guys click here advanced tab and scroll down it, and if this checkbox is checked here, uncheck this checkbox. Enable third party browser extension, uncheck this checkbox. If this option is checked, uncheck it, okay, and after that click here apply and click here ok button. Close this window, and third method is right click here start button, and after that type here again run and click here run option and type here EVENTVWR, okay, and then click here ok button. After that guys click here Windows logs, expand this and click here application and click here clear log option under action toolbar, clear logs, and clear this application event and click close button. After that guys restart your system. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.